guess if I had the most obscure, it's like every now and then I'll have these most bizarre thoughts that just spontaneously appear out of nowhere. And on one hand, I'm corresponding, the relationship between music and art. In music, from a compositional standpoint, you have phrasing. Like when you have a melody or when you're soloing, there's a term called phrasing. Phrasing is basically and that correlates again. Music correlates with linguistics, language and human interpersonal communication, where phrasing is just the way where we pause between the sentence, like where there's a pause. We pause between the sentence. That has to do with the whole phonological features of linguistics. Two key areas in linguistics: phonetics and phonology. Study sound, different variations of sound. Right. And where you